Okay, today we're going to be looking at lesson 12-1, and this is on models and volume. And this is again a review. We've done something previous like this previously. But just to review, volume is the measure of space inside a solid figure. And if you had a box, the number of cubic units it would take to fill the box would be the volume. So again, you're thinking about a 3D figure. How many cubic units does it take to fill up that figure? And this example here, if you just counted the front section, you could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 16. That's the front layer. And then we know that there's another layer behind that. And if we added those two together, we would get 32. So the cubic volume, or the volume of this figure, is 32 cubic units. Okay, so now let's go ahead and look at your practice pages for today. And on this one, basically what you're doing is you're going to be counting the front layer and then adding those together to get the total volume. So I'm going to go ahead and look at this first figure here. And right here you can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 on the front layer. And I can tell that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. So basically what we need to do is do 15 times 4. And that would give us 5 times 4 is 20. I get 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. So we get 60. So 60 cubic units would fill that shape. And if you wanted to put on there, you could put units cubed. Okay, let's look at this one. Again, we're going to be counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I'm going to count by sixes, 6, 12, 18, 24. So again, I know that front layer is 24. So I'm going to go ahead and do my problem here. 24. Now, how many layers do I have? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 24 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. I carry my 4. That's 8 plus 1 is 96. So again, 96 units cubed. Here, let's go ahead. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many layers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 times 4. On that one, I can do it in my head. So I get 24 units cubed. Oh, this one's got a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. I'm going to go ahead and write that down, 32. And then how many layers do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 32 times 6. I get 18, 19, 192. 192 units cubed. And then we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 times 1, 2, 3. 12 times 4. We know that is 40. Lost my spot. 48 units cubed. And finally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 3. And we get 15 units cubed. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and go to the next page. I'm going to go ahead and clear my ink off this one. Or erase it. Here we go. Let's erase all that. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on this page. So let's go ahead and count our units. Again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 3, because we have 3 layers. 8 times 3 is, sorry, 24 units cubed. Here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4. And I get 16 units cubed. 3, 6, 9. And 9 times 1, 2, 3. 9 times 3. And I get 27 units cubed. On this one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can count by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 units cubed. 4, 8, 12. And then again, 12 times 1, 2, 3. 12 times 3 is 36 units cubed. And finally here we've got 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 times 4, 48 units cubed. Okay, so that's our lesson 12-1. If you have any questions, go back and rewatch or come to the math lesson with me. Thank you.